vachiparadza. Onai baba muchavapera, onai tsotsi mhandu dzesango, vanorova maoko vanopembera. Ipapo baba vachiparadza, onai baba muchavapera, onai tsotsi mhandu dzesango, vanorova maoko vanopembera. Ipapo baba vachiparadza. Onai baba muchavapera, onai tsotsi mhandu dzesango, vanorova maoko vanopembera. Ipapo baba vachiparadza, onai baba muchavapera, onai tsotsi mhandu dzesango, vanorova maoko vanopembera. Romba rumbe kai. Chifamba. Irori sangorani. We are going to play our last song. Thank you for your support. We are going to play our last song. My shepherd,
be with us forever and ever.
Oh, my Lord, my Savior, my shepherd,
Oh, be with us forever and ever.
Forever, forever, forever and ever.
Be with us forever and ever.
Ever, forever, forever and ever.
Be with us forever and ever.
Mazwana, mazwa, mazwana, mazwa.
Chengeta, mazwana, mazwa.
Mazwana, mazwa, mazwana, mazwa.
Chengeta, mazwana, mazwa. Hiwe. Whiz. Riggit. Whiz. Okoyo.
The band on the stage is called the Reloaded Mbira Dzakondo. On the stage, on the lead Mbira, we have Shumba, Nyamuziwa, do your things, Nyamuziwa. On the rhythm, Karimba, we have Mzilikazi. Mzilikazi, do your things. On the bass, there is Mbira Dzakondo.
Show them up. Show them. Hiwe. 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 Riggins. 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 Okoyo.
On the shakers, Fako, jersey number 6, Murozi, Mukuru, show them. Iwe, 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 Iwe. Thank you. This is the Reloaded Mbira Dzakondo. You can follow us on Facebook.
Bonjour chers invités, mesdames et messieurs. Je m'appelle Joshua Godobo, je suis chargé de communication et bibliothécaire à l'Alliance française de Harare. Je suis ici aujourd'hui pour représenter l'Alliance française de Soweto et Kuda et Rilo de Mbira. Je fusionne également le hip-hop avec des instruments traditionnels. Mon nom de scène est JTG Pauma. Kuda Kondo was born in Harare and grew up in Zimbabwe. He is a Mbira player and started playing the instrument at the age of 5. He started performing in a school traditional dance group at the age of 7. Cool, isn't it? Rilo de Mbira is an African traditional music band created in 2014. The members of the group are Golden Gwata, lead Mbira, Kumalo on the rhythm Mbira, and Farai Musakwa on the shakers and the ngoma, which is known as the drum in English. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Kuda Kondo and Rilo de Mbira for the Francophone 2021. Enjoy, Rova Ngoma.
Yeah, and we are back.
We are back. That
Yeah.
was so great.
Beautiful music. I must say, I was listening, and each and every song just has its own,
Tone, right?
and feeling, you know?
Did you see the shaker?
Yeah.
He was doing. I was doing it with him over there.
He's
I was like, no,
amazing.
he's amazing.
Wow. And also the guys are amazing.
Yeah, you must
Do you
take me
remember
in
what
with you guys. I want to do that
Do you
now.
remember that instrument? What is it called again?
The other one. This was your instrument. Mine was the
It was
shaker.
meant to be.
Yes.
Welcome back to the South African Francophone Festival, guys. And we're having quite a good time. I know
Yes.
you're loving the music. I know you're loving all the performances. There's still more performances coming through. Yeah, and this festival is brought to you by Impulse Radio Africa. And
Yes.
of course, we'd like to thank our sponsors, that's TV5 Mhondoro.
Et l'Alliance française de Soweto. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. Yeah, I'm good. Eh?
Yeah, you're
Anyway, thank you so much for actually tuning in. Keep commenting.
Yes,
we love
please.
Your comments. Keep commenting. So
Envoyez vos commentaires.
I've got another question for you.
good. Okay.
I haven't traveled to Gabon yet.
Okay.
So I just like you to give me some insights so that when I plan and go with my family, I know where to go.
Okay.
Okay. So like which places in Gabon are the places to be in?
Which place is Louis? Tu dois aller à
Louis.
Louis. Yes.
Louis.
Yeah, Louis.
What's happening there?
Everything actually.
Yeah.
There is clubs, restaurants,
Beauty.
shops.
So is it like Long Street, like Cape Town? You know that Long Street, and everything is just happening. in that street?
Everything is just happening. Every time you're walking by,
Yeah.
you see a shop,
Okay.
you see a restaurant, you see a club where you can dance and
Of
party
course,
with your
yeah.
family
Uh-huh.
if you want to.
Yeah. And then is that the only place?
No,
Or is there Please
this
give me two so that I know.
two. Okay, let's see. There is another one.
Yeah.
Mbolo. You can go Mbolo.
Mbolo.
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Mbolo
what's
is like
happening
it's like a mall where you
Okay.
go to and you can have fun also
Yeah.
there.
there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's a mall.
Yeah, it's a mall.
Like our normal
Centre
mall.
commercial. Yes.
Is it? Okay, so now I know where to take my family when I
Yeah.
travel to Gabon one day. So you also know where to go, right?
Yes.
And in South Africa, you've been here for 10 years?
Yes, but still, I still don't know not many places. If you
Okay,
can tell us something.
South Africa. South Africa is quite easy.
Yes.
Do you want the province, Johannesburg, or out of this province?
Let's say
Durban.
one.
You know Durban.
Durban, yes,
Have
I
you been
know.
to Durban?
But not yet. Only on TV.
Okay, we have the Ushaga Marine.
Shaga Morin.
Ushaga.
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 Oh,
That's
what's
it.
happening there?
You have to say Ushaga.
Ushaga.
Yeah, respect him.
Oh,
respect
okay.
him. He's
Oh,
a
it's the-
king.
oh, okay.
He's a
Ushaga.
king. Yeah, Ushaga Marine. And what else? Mhlanga.
Mklanga.
Mhlanga. So you have that.
In Mklanga.
Mhlanga.
Okay. Mklanga.
Mhlanga.
Klanga. Okay,
Yeah.
we're gonna skip this one. Let's go
No
to the next
problem.
one, please.
And then we have obviously Cape Town, and Long Street is my favorite.
Okay.
And then what else? What else? Mpumalanga.
Pumalanga, okay.
God's Window, you can go there.
Nice.
That place is beautiful, beautiful landscape. What else? What am I missing, guys? What am I missing? What else would you like to know? Where would you like to go in South Africa and experience something different than what you experience all the time?
I want
daily?
to go to a kind of safari.
The safari.
Yeah, to see animals.
Oh, go to the
Yeah.
Kruger.
The Kruger.
Yeah, you can go to the Kruger
Is it
National
here
Park.
in Joburg?
It is in the northwest, I think so.
Okay.
If
okay.
I'm not right,
Okay.
do correct me on your comments, guys. And
Kruger.
do have so much fun. You see how much fun it is to actually learn about different countries, different cultures,
Yes.
and the arts and the music. It's absolutely incredible.
Incredible.
I'm loving it.
Me too.
So far, how are you feeling? We almost by the end of the show.
Almost by the end of the show, but it's been so great.
Yeah.
So far, so good, but there's still more coming.
Yeah.
So
and I would like
I'm
to say
still
a
jumped.
special thank you actually to all the performances.
Yes.
Right? Absolute
It was
talent.
amazing,
Absolute
incredible.
talent.
Yeah, absolutely.
Can you sing? What is your talent?
The shake, I told you already. Me, it's the shake. I knew you can sing for me. I will just assist you and do the shake.
I can't sing. I can dance.
Oh, yeah.
I can dance. Do you want
Something
me to teach you
else.
something else again?
Yes,
But this is South African.
Okay, let's
right?
see. Let's see. Let
yeah,
me
this
show.
is South
Let me
African.
see.
So this is called Afrofusion dance. right?
Afro